Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and contains a very unique design ideas collection that how every embroidery beginner can make very beautiful artist style, exactly professional style hand embroidery patterns with no effort and no more complex activities, but just following these very simple and easy patterns. But friends, going further into the depth of these design ideas, into the detail of these designs, I have a very simple request to you that friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel yet, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, because on my channel I share on daily basis very beautiful, large and vast variety of design ideas for beginners related to hand art, hand embroidery, women fashion designing ideas, dress designing, baby dress designing, home decor ideas, and much more related to fashion world and hand art. So we will not further exaggerate our explanation of the content and design ideas which we offer on our channel. We will move back to the design ideas. Friends, all of these design ideas of hand embroidery are typically based on floral hand embroidery design ideas. These are absolutely favorable and reliable, easy to make hand embroidery flower design ideas for absolute beginners who have just started, and these flower patterns could be used for a number of reasons in a number of ways for a variety of purposes. Like, you can make these very beautiful floral hand embroidery design ideas to make hoop art to give for your loved ones, to your closer friends. Even you can make these very beautiful patterns onto your baby bonnets, onto your dresses, kurtis, shirts, blended stuff, hand knitted materials like coats, sweaters, cardigans, onto your jeans, onto your face masks, onto your handkerchiefs, table covers for the decoration of home as pillow covers, cushion covers, table mats, and for the designing of your dresses as all over flower patterns, for the designing of baby frocks, baby skirts, and much more. The scope is broader and broader in its concept if we try to think in a unique and a new dimension. So friends, I suggest you to kindly do try these patterns, and if you are absolute beginner, then kindly use anchor as an embroidery thread, or you can also use wool, hand embroidery wool, for making these very beautiful floral patterns. So with this, allow me to leave. Hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new videos, and up till then, enjoy my previous video if you are new, and explore my channel and have a very beautiful and delight taste of extremely unique, amazing and new modern style hand embroidery, hand art and women fashion related stuff and design items. So thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos.